Hi there, welcome back to another yoga video. In today's video, we will be working on our upper body. So let's get started. All you need is a yoga mat, yourself, and a will to flow with me. So let's get started. To begin with, sit comfortably in any posture over the yoga mat. Whatever your heart desires, just be still in that posture and try to keep your spine straight, chin parallel to the ground, hands over the knees, and close your eyes if you haven't already. Take some breath and try to breathe slowly and mindfully. Inhale and exhale. Stay calm and just connect yourself with your breath. And after a couple of rounds of breath, start making some gentle movements and open your eyes when you feel ready. Stretch your arms to the side of your shoulder and try to grab your elbows over your head. Keep your spine straight. Make yourself comfortable and stretch your arms, and now change the elbow positioning by holding. Now again exhale, release. Place the left palm ground and right hand extended over the ear but not attached to the right ear. Stretch to your left side. Take the left hand support to have a better movement. And then exhale, come back to center. Inhale this time, right palm goes down, left being extended to right side, and place your right elbow down if you have to make your movement even deeper. Keep looking away from the left shoulder and then exhale back to the center. Interlock your fingers over your head and stretch in front of your face. Bring it back over the head. And now with the exhale, stretch to your left side and give a good nice stretch to your right side of the body. Keep breathing here. As you exhale, come back to center and inhale, go to the right side, stretch and breathe. Inhale, exhale back to the center. Bring the hand back to your head. Open up your chest, your arms to the sides, and with exhale, fold forward and go down as far as you can. Inhale, come back to your neutral position and give a gentle back bend to your spine. And then you exhale, fold forward. Go low and stay comfortable. As you inhale, come back and give again a gentle back bend with all the control over your neck. And then exhale, bring both the elbows together. Inhale, stretch. Exhale. Inhale. And then exhale, release your hands. Now come to all your fours, where your shoulder and palms are in a line and knees and hips are in a line. Toes can be tucked in or out. And then change the side of your left palm and push your hips back close to your heels. Change the right palm and now start making the same movement and keep moving your body. Now shift your body weight from side to side while keeping the stance as it is. Move your body forward and backward and breathe. And this time fold both the palms on the opposite direction and feel the deep stretch in your wrists, in your arms, in your elbows, and eventually in your shoulders as well. Extend the right hand and then the left and bring your shoulder blades down. Keep your hands away from the ear and then stretch them nice, and then stretch the right hand to the left side. Give a good nice stretch. Hold it up there while keeping the hips facing towards the ceiling. As you exhale, change your side, extend the right arm, left arm to the right side of the body, shift the neck position, keep the hips up facing the ceiling. Toes pointed back. Breathe. Breathe nicely. Now back to child's pose. Bring both the palms together. Elbows really pushing down towards the ground. Shoulder blades are relaxed and engaged. Extend the hands in front of the body and breathe. You can also hold your shoulder blades using your palms. Stretch, and then hands comes up and push your body forward and bring it back where your hips are trying to touch the heel. Inhale, go forward. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, go forward and go all the way. Exhale, push back. Inhale again, and then here, tuck your toes together and lift your hips up in the downward facing dog. Do the same movement in your shoulder. Engage the palms. And then you inhale, push your body forward into high plank. Exhale to downward facing dog. Inhale to plank. Exhale to downward facing dog. Inhale again. Exhale downward. Hold and breathe. And then exhale, drop your knees. Breathe here and shift your weight to the right side of the body. Bring your right hip down. Extend the right leg. Fold the left one right above the right knee and practice this modified side plank where your right elbow supports your body. Extend your left hand in the air if that is accessible to you and hold it up there. Breathe. You can also start moving your hand from down to up. And hold and breathe and exhale. Now change the side to the left side of the thigh. Extend the left leg, fold the right one, have the left elbow support, and if possible, reach out all the way up using your right hand. Breathe and hold the pose. You can also start moving your hand by making some movement in and around to add some more juices in your plank, in your shoulder blades as well. Now with the exhale, drop your left hip and then sit upright in cross-legged position. And then inhale and exhale. Extend your hands in front of the body. Hold it up there. And as you inhale, take your hands to the sides of the body. Keep your arms strong. Uphold them. You can use a wall to support your shoulder blades and arms. And then extend your legs and sit upright in Dandasana. As you inhale, raise your hands. As you exhale, keep your spine long enough and have the hands over the knees or over the shin bone and feel the fold. Inhale, come back and then fold the right foot next to the left knee. Grab using the left hand. Extend the right hand to the right side. Give a good nice twist and hold the pose and continue to breathe. Breathe. And then exhale, you look forward and release the hand. Now change the side, extend right leg, fold left foot, hold it up by right hand, extend the left hand to the left side and twist and breathe right over here. Breathe nicely and keep yourself upright by holding the pose and breathing. And as you inhale, look forward first and then release the pose. Extend the leg. And now from here, lie down on your belly over the yoga mat. Extend your hand. Your elbow and shoulder should be in a line. And hold the simple back bend by extending the legs, really engaged at the back by extending the toes and hold the breath. Keep breathing and keep yourself active throughout by continuing to breathe. Feel the good stretch in your upper and lower back. And with the exhale, lower down your torso. Have your hands at the back of your hips. Help yourself by giving a gentle massage on the lower hip. And then interlock your finger or have the palms together at the back and stretch all the way back. And as you inhale, look forward and lift up your chest and face. Look in front of your body. Keep your legs engaged, pointed at the back. Exhale, come down. Now bring your hands right next to your chest and lift up your hands in the air in Superman pose. Breathe and feel the goodness by stretching your arms all the way forward, bringing them close to the chest, and feel the stretch by inhaling and lifting your body in Bhujangasana. Keep your knees relaxed, toes pointed back, elbows relaxed, shoulder blades away from the ear and relaxed. Hold and breathe. Fold the knees and the leg if you can. And then with the exhale, drop your torso. Now fold one leg and try to grab the feet and feel the deep stretch. As you inhale into Dhanurasana, hold, breathe, and exhale, and then release. Leg stays at the back, pointed, relaxed. Hands are also relaxed. You can readjust yourself if you have to make yourself more comfortable and relaxed and feel all the changes in your body after the practice, in your shoulder, in your upper body, in your spine. And of course, in your lower body, in your head, in your facial muscles, just relax and comfortably make yourself more focused and aligned with your breath. As you relax, you continue to breathe in and out. You breathe in and you breathe out slowly. And then eventually, whenever you feel ready, sit up and get into a child pose where you extend your arms and relax and take a couple of more rounds of breath before ending your practice. Feel the nice rejuvenation in your arms and in your spine. And whenever you feel ready, rub your palms, gather the energy, and tell yourself a big thank you for showing up for yourself. If you have enjoyed anything about the video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Like I always say, keep practicing. I will definitely see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and bye bye.